As you can see, we're trying to figure it out. We're going to put a beam there, so that's why we're trying to create the box, the beam box. So he's trying to nail it so it can get nailed on the other board, and you can start. I don't know. We have to see. He's taking the measurements to be able to pierce the nail into the other board. Let's see if we can get it right this time around. So we didn't have a leather, so that's what we're using this one. So I'll get emergency job. We're still looking for the spot to put it, and to the nail fell down. Very right.
I'm not bad. I'm not bad. Who's man?
You can see over there, there is this river houses. That is what it is. Welcome to Ansumana Country Farm. We are showing you the premises, constructing, AC. Make sure even if I'm away, it's secure. The come back is secure. So that's where we'll be working. Using my Wi-Fi and other stuff. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. People are still working. I want to make sure they fix the cars before I leave. That's what I want to do. So welcome to Ansumana Country Farm. This is your first time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tell a friend about Ansumana Country Farm. We're coming live right in Kenya, Nyangonge. Yes, that's where we do our activities and that's where everything is going on. But I just keep showing you some beautiful places, some beautiful houses. This house was not here, but now I came and they said somebody has built it. So that was also purchased. But it's good. Like I told you, the development is taking place in my country. I don't know, really. People are building houses like scatter. Yeah. So, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you get into 1,000. I'm on 1,000 by the time you're watching this video. Ansumana Country Farm in Kenya. Let me show you. By that time he'll be like 4,000 or 5,000 or 10,000. So that's what we shoot for. That's what we put for. us. And don't skip the ad in the channel, and also don't skip the ad in Jim's channel. Make sure like just subscribe to the channel and make sure everything is working well. This has been a hectic day since I've been here, just trying to fix this place to standard. So I'm gonna see what I can do to make sure I fix it. And so I said next time I come, I'll be staying there because that's why I'm gonna be staying regularly on a frequent basis whenever I'm here. So I keep putting up my own structure in Kennebec. But the structure is there, just there's a few stuff on the house. Let's keep moving. But most times I come, I just love to live in the city, do some few errands. Since I'll be here for like the next 2 or 3 weeks, let me say 1 month, so I just want to be in the city, do some few errands for yeah.
Come.
So we're trying to see what we can do. So they want to close that hole there, and I'm going to see how they're going to do this shit, man. Trust me. Let's see, that's why I asked to close. Last one too. There was a hole there. I don't know if you saw it. You can see it there too. It's a beautiful place. I mean, all over there is like, you know, a hill station or Juba. No, that's not Juba. Yeah, that's goes by force.
Watch out,
Welcome to the channel, Ansumana Poultry Farm. This is what it is. Subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a positive comment, nice comments. That's what we need from you, nothing else. So we're not asking for any donation. The only donation we're asking for is for you to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that's the young man working there, putting his time, working hard to make sure he makes money too. Now, that's the job we can learn to. You can be a carpenter. You see. Oh, you're missing out. So we try to block all these holes and make sure things are working the way it's supposed to be. Maybe what it is, there's nothing else we can do. It's just to move the channel forward. And just thumbs up, hit the like button, comment, and don't forget, if you're in the Caribbean, Jamaica, Africa, East Africa, West Africa, North Africa, South Africa, wherever you are, we all the same. Doesn't matter the color of the blood, we are human beings. You know what I mean? So same blood flowing through our veins. So you see, so what we try to do our little best to make sure we put the structure. You can see now it's like chocolate bagla. Over time, I want to give you a full tour of this place before I leave. It's gonna be us Ansumana Poultry Farm. Yeah. It's not only about farming, but sometimes you're gonna be becoming involved in other things. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. So that's another little piece we're gonna put right up there. Yes. obviously I'm doing my best to see if we can fix it really good and give it a very nice look, nice paint, and we'll see. I'm doing my best. It looks somehow messy, somehow messy. So you can see. So we go. Yeah, man, I got a best worker, man. His name is Musa Kanesi. He's a great worker. And also have another worker called Usman Tarali. He's also another great worker again. He's not here. He's supposed to be doing this job, but because of one or two reasons, I believe it's very early. Now we turn back, so that's why I decided to give it to my brother to do it. He's a young boy to working his own way out. I mean, he's you gotta struggle, man. You gotta buckle up. He's working hard, learning his job to make sure he learns it too, and he can fend from it, feed his family in case in the long run he happens to find a wife, So it's a good guy. It's my neighbor. We're all here. When I come in, they give support. Yeah, we don't do no jealousy. We just support one another. Howdy, buddy. Yeah. So it's a young girl that's saying hi to me. But it's what it is. Good neighbors. Been here for a long time. Yeah, I'm a mixer. Even though I was a quiet guy too, but yes, still. So you see. So the next one there is going up there looking for gravel, so we can mix it with concrete and whatever not, and make sure the shit is done. That is what it is. We're trying. Yes. Everything up. Welcome to Ansumana family. What it is, especially use of good things to do back home in Sierra Leone, my country, West Africa. Freetown, it's lovely. Your food, Yeah, she. Okay. So that's why it's clogged. My question is how do you want to go the concrete? Or something, how do you want to get it before now? I don't think. Sonda long one is ya. Parenti. Apa nama ni qualify? Cek dia kau lawan ni. Maka lawan
the car back. I don't see this no guy.
I don't say I can't go. Olha, olha aquele compão. Oh, cadê esse? Cadê esse compão aí? Cadê esse compão?
Cadê esse compão?
No, this one they outside. I say if you can see compão. Sabe daí? Okay.
I can't find 27 pounds. I don't know money anywhere.
So this is what it is. We're just working on a few things and make sure things are working the right way. And you can see the beautiful hills. That's why they call it Lion Mountain, man. Because we are surrounded by hills, looking like a lion.
I'm missing
So, yes, my brother is coming, man. I can't wait to see him.
Oh, my God. See more fine there. Loud. That is good today. I tell you. You can't see the way
My brother is here, man.